Hi students, this is AJ sir. Let's study 10th standard ICSE Math chapter 9D, Matrices, Miscellaneous Sums. Exercise 9D, cancel sums 2, 7, 8, 10, 11, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Let's start with question number 1. We have to find the values of x and y. So we have to solve this. We have a multiplication out here. So first this is 2 by 2 and this is 2 by 1. They are compatible and the resultant matrix will be of the order 2 by 1. That means 2 rows and 1 column. So 2 elements are there. The first element is first row into first column, and the second element is the second row into the first column. So on multiplication we get this 2 elements. Plus the 2 is absorbed by both the elements here. So double them up. Even on the RHS, double them up. In fact, quadruple them up into 4. Addition, well, 6 minus 2 plus minus 8, that will be 6x minus 10. And minus 2x plus 4 plus 10 will be minus 2x plus 14. And on the RHS we get this. So we've got 2 elements here and 2 elements here. Compare them, get the value of x as well as of y. Here we'll have to substitute the value of x, which we got here. So that's why I wrote 3. Question 3. 2 products have been given. So let's solve the first one. It's 1 by 2 and this is 2 by 1. So they are compatible, but the resultant matrix will be 1 by 1. That means it will have only one element. That's it. Which makes sense because even in the RHS there is only one element. So if there's an equal to sign, the matrices have to be equivalent. So this is nothing but first row into first column. X into x is x squared plus y into y is y squared. So that's how I got x squared plus y squared. That means the elements are equal. So now just write x square plus y square is equal to 25. Since the matrices are equal, the corresponding elements are also equal. That's equation number 1. Similarly, the second product is also given. Here also, there will be just one element in the resultant matrix. This into this. What is minus x into 2x? Minus 2x squared. Plus, what is y into y? Y squared. So this one element is equal to this one element. That's how I get the second equation. So I got 2 equations in 2 variables. I can use simultaneous equations now. Get rid of either x squared or y squared. I'm going to get rid of y squared. So I will write both the equations. I will subtract it. X squared minus 2x squared is nothing but the addition. So this becomes plus and this becomes minus and this becomes plus. Signs change when you subtract the equation. So x squared plus 2x squared is 3x squared. Y square minus y square gone. That's the whole point of doing this. And 25 plus 2 is 27. So 3 goes down, x square is 9, so x is plus or minus 3. But in Roman number 1, they said whole numbers only. So negative answers are not allowed. So I'm going to say x is equal to 3. Then substitute that in the equation number 1 to get the value of y. Again, don't write plus or minus 4 because they want only whole number answers. But in Roman number 2, the universal set is integers. So here we will write plus and minus answers both. Now the fifth sum. We have to know all the values, standard angle values of trigonometrical ratios from the table. So I hope you've learnt that table by heart. Cos 45 is 1 upon root 2. Cos 0 is 1, so root 2 into 1 is root 2. Sin 30 is half and sin 0 is 0. Sin 45 is 1 upon root 2, sin 90 is 1, cos 90 is 0 and cot 45 is 1. And now 2 by 2 and 2 by 2, so the answer is also 2 by 2. Element number 1 is first row into first column. Element number 2 is first row into second column. Element number 3 is second row into first column, and element number 4 is second row into second column. So we get 4 elements, and that is the final answer. Next, the 12th sum. It's given that a square is equal to b, and we have to find the value of x. A square means a multiplied by itself. So 2 by 2 into 2 by 2, so the answer will also be 2 by 2. I get 4 elements as usual. And it is very clear that these answers will match what is given here. 4, 0 and 1 will be the answer. It has to be, it's common sense. What we are interested in is x's value, which comes out to be 36 by comparing. So x is equal to 36. And now the 17th sum. A, B, C values are given, and this equation is also given. Find the values of A, B and C variables. So 3 is absorbed by this matrix, 2 is absorbed by this matrix. This minus sign remains as it is, okay? So 2 into minus 1 is minus 2, 2 into 3 is 6. 6 is absorbed out here. Next, subtraction. 9 minus minus 2 is 9 plus 2, that is 11. Minus 12 minus 6 is minus 18. And so on. So we get 4 elements here and 4 elements here. So equalize the corresponding elements. 6c will be equal to 11, so get the value of c. 3a minus 8 will be equal to 24, so get the value of a. 24 minus 2b will be equal to 0, so get the value of b. So we get the values of a, b and c, box them. Yep, we have to leave the final answer mixed fraction if required, and that's the answer. Hi students, if you found this video useful, press the like button. Also, to enroll for my online lectures or online test series, email me or message me on Instagram. Check the description for more information.